You on Facebook.
Miss Lilia, oh, you are so cute. I'm fine. Oh my God. You're so beautiful.
How are you?
Welcome. I'm looking for a laundry service. Understand it's around here, but I don't know. It's taking me forever to locate it. Side Road or something like that. I want to believe this is the road. The business doesn't have a Google location. You can find it on Google alright, but there's no location to it. Like, what's the point? I found a lady. I made a Facebook post and so many people were tagging her. Are you the one?
Yes.
Ah, so many people were tagging you on Facebook.
Miss Lilia, oh, you are so cute. I'm fine. Oh my God. You're so beautiful.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
I cherish you, Fao. I admire you a lot. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Oh, I will become a journalist one day because of you.
You should.
Mr. Gushu.
I'm surprised. How come so many people are mentioning your name?
Oh, I started this business since 2017. That time I was in Dome. So when Facebook Ghana became monetized, I started bringing it online. And through that, I even got washing machine from Nana T and a few Pro. So like it's like everybody knows me for that.
Amazing.
Nice.
So where's your shop?
I do it in the house.
You do it in the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
So how do we have to go to your house? Do we have to come with you?
Oh, our gate is paused, so they are doing it. I'm inside the school. There's a house in the school.
So be in the car and then let's go.
You can't pass through the gate.
No, I'll park in front so that it will be because we cannot. Yeah. So
Thank you.
Yeah. But you may have to shift these things a bit. Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, we found Martha here. Amazing. I was like, I cannot find a business online because I was looking for Google location and I was not getting. I was like, what could be the problem? But now we found her. So let's go.
This is just here in front of the school.
The school.
This one?
No, there's a school.
This
here.
one.
This
Yes,
one.
please.
Amazing.
Oh, I think here is okay. Then I'll pass through.
You pass here?
Yeah.
Okay. So please hold my camera for me. I will just do some reverse. I can park really well. Okay, this is fine. It is a lot, so
Oh, no problem.
you're going to.
Sister.
Yeah, let me just get down.
No problem, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think I'm okay.
You're okay here, right? Guys, we found her. She said she's okay here, so but I told her it's a lot of clothes.
No
So
problem.
I don't know. Will you go and check the number of clothes and see how much it will cost? Then you come back. Yeah, so do that. I'll be waiting for you here. Yeah.
Like,
Or you want to finish it?
I will test you on.
Okay. Then I'll send you my number so that you can just test me straight. Yeah,
Oh,
nice
thank
one.
you, Miss Lilia. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, you just have to patronize the business. She's a wonderful person. She took advantage of social media. When Ghana got monetized, and she brought the business online, and so many people came to support her. So just imagine. Let's take advantage of social media. So yeah. Have you patronized a business before? Let me know in the comment section. Looks like it is still a startup, but I am so much impressed about how so many people actually showed up for her on social media. Because actually I have a regular place I do laundry, but I was just curious to see if there is another place that people really resort to, and so many people just stand here over there, and I think it's a good stuff. What do you think? I think she likes you.
Yeah, she's very sweet. She's kind.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So we are done now, friends. Now we're heading to the airport. Just go and see ticketing and all that, because a girl will have to leave. Go back to where she came from.
Why are you chasing me?
Is that even possible?
You'll come looking for me.
I know. And the clouds be full of rain. They empty themselves. Yeah. So yeah, just hang on. I'll take you to Kotoka International Airport. No, not Kotoka. It's now Accra International Airport. So let's go to Accra International Airport.